om vi har et blog.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, I'm Josephine Emilie Hansen. I don't know how to say it in English. But today I want to show you how to speak English to your Englisher mains. Yeah. And first I want to see ko. It's a cow. And cheese is a ost. And I'm actually pretty good to say small et eller andet words, but not to formulere mig. Good on English. A long setning. Sentence. Yeah. So I want to teach you how to speak just in English. Just English. Yeah. And example. My name is. No, det kan jeg godt sige. I live in a perfect house where it's white. It's a white house, and I got a horse. I actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 horses. Yeah, and I got a big family. And the light is blinking red, there, right there, yeah. I don't know what you can see. Yeah. I think it was not for today. That was it. Bye bye. Have a nice day.